Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're looking at the WatchIT magnetic charging cable for Apple Watch. So here is the cable right here. I like that it's braided. It's definitely looks a lot more well made than the Apple cable. And I have an Apple Watch right here that we're going to charge it on. So I'm going to turn this battery on real quick like that. Here's a magnetic charging pad. Set it on there like that. It's snapped into place. And there you go. It's charging. Just as easy as that. So there it goes. It's magnetic right on the back of the watch like that. It's got a braided cable and metal ends on each side. So this is metal right here, whereas the Apple one is completely plastic. This is metal right here. And looks like a very nice charging cable for really any Apple Watch. And the new Apple Watch S8 and Ultra just came out, so you can use this with those as well. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.